Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a stop on BlaBlaCar. First, it's important to understand this. Only driver can add stop when creating a ride. Passenger cannot add stop after booking. If you are a passenger, you must search for a ride that already includes your stop. Now let's see how driver can add a stop. First, open the BlaBlaCar app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Publish a ride. Next, enter your starting location and the final destination. If you are driver mode on, you will look for the option that says Add a stop or Add immediate stop. Tap on it. Type the name of the city or town where you want to stop. You can add more than one stop if needed. After adding the stop, BlaBlaCar will automatically update your route and show passenger that you stop here. BlaBlaCar will automatically update your route and passengers that you stop there. Next, choose your date and time, set the price per seat and select the number of available seats. Review all the details successfully or carefully. If everything looks correct, tap publish right. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.